How to remove call history from Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove call history from Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Clear Data. Then tap on Clear Conversation. Now find the user whose call history you want to remove. Then tap on the cross icon next to their name. Finally, tap on Clear to confirm. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.